You have definitely been seeing POV explainer videos like this on YouTube. Long form POV explainer videos on YouTube that are currently going viral and getting monetized in less than 2 months. Am I correct? Yes. So if in less than 2 months or 1 month on YouTube with this particular POV explainer niche. So if you are looking to go into YouTube automation or starting faceless channel or what for your YouTube channel, you want to create a new channel, the POV explainer video is actually the one you can go into, or African vlog tips, because I created a video on how to create African stories 1 to 10 minutes. This video.
So in this video, I would showing you how to create viral POV explainer video
for your YouTube channel. This is the POV explainer video that I created.
POV. You just discovered Forex. You see people posting profits online, luxury cars, trading sets, and suddenly you think, how hard can this be? You download your first trading app, open a demo account, and every candlestick feels like a clue. Tutorials. You don't fully understand them, but you're confident, very confident.
He believes he's found the perfect entry point. This is where every great journey begins, with a single, bold step toward freedom. Look at those profits! Then Forex introduces itself. One bad trade becomes 3, 3 become 10, and before you know it, the market.
So let's start. We've made use of 4 things, but one of them is paid. But since we are looking for free tools to create most of the things, we are not starting any from YouTube. The best place to get a POV explainer create is what? Naira Voice, but it's a paid version. But you have to pay. But we use something else since we are looking for free tools. I've said it before. We'll make use of what? ChatGPT. So what about ChatGPT? Because ChatGPT is free of charge, and you can still pay for ChatGPT for pro version. But most of the time, free version is also good. So it's optional. We'll type this prompt. Can you create a POV explainer video? Then send it. Don't look at my side. I'll be reading it on my phone. What ChatGPT says. Then send it. Then ChatGPT say, here's a script idea for a POV explainer video that keeps viewers watching. POV means why keeping it engaged. Tied to what POV actually means. Everyone uses it. What POV means and why everyone uses it. POV, I've probably seen it all over TikTok. POV stands for what? Point of views. That's the meaning of POV. Point of views. It's a popular saying on YouTube. If I say POV, I attend your first interview, I just become a billionaire overnight. POV, that's point of view. That is it. So here's the script. So if you are not satisfied, you can still go ahead and give it maybe a title of what? A POV explainer video that I want. For example, you can say, but before we create any title idea first, you understand, you can go ahead and do what? You need to know the type of image that they use for what? POV explainer video. You need to know the type of image they use for POV explainer video. So go to YouTube and do what? And search for any POV explainer video. Let's search for this one. POV explainer channel. Play the video. Go to YouTube, search for any POV explainer channel. Play the video. Take a screenshot of the cartoon and what? Head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Give me a well-detailed prompt describing the image above and send it. Then this is what ChatGPT say. A mechanical 2D illustration cartoon of a. Can you see it? It will give you the illustration of the cartoon. It will tell you the image. Then you ask ChatGPT again. The secret is that ChatGPT does more of the work for you. That's what I want you to know. ChatGPT is the main worker of this POV explainer video. Since we are not paying for anything, it's free version. We are going to use of ChatGPT for everything. So when ChatGPT give you a detailed image, you ask ChatGPT, what type of image is this? Then it respond. And you ask ChatGPT, what style is this image? Can you see my side? Don't look at my side. The reason why I do all of this is so that we can give ChatGPT a well-detailed prompt so that it gives us a meaningful story. You understand? So we have already know what we want. We have already given ChatGPT on what we want. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new chat. I write what? Create a script for a POV explainer video. Your life at every level of being a forex trader using 2D minimalist animated storytelling illustration, soft cell shading, webtoon inspiration, cinematic composition, emotional slice of life cartoon style. Can you see it? Then you send it. So ChatGPT say here is a cinematic. Just look at my side. Let me read it for you. Here is a cinematic POV explainer script designed for a 2D minimalist storytelling cartoon with each level showing the emotional of a forex trader. POV, your life at every level of being a forex trader. Can you see it? Scene 1, the beginner looks easy. Scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and you understand what I'm saying? I'll show it in the side. Now, after it has get down, then the next step is for us to create our image. But I want you to know you can make your POV explainer video. I want to know you can make your POV explainer video either to talk or make the static image, anyone you like. But I would love us to mix it together so that when it have a static image, it talks. When you have a static image, it talks. When you have a static image, so when you go to our browser and search for googleflow.ai, then create an account to them if it's your first time. Let's wait for a little while for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. But I want you to know Google Flow gives you what 50 credit to generate video on Google Flow. You have 50 credit to generate video on Google Flow. Then we'll click on what new project. Then we'll revert back to ChatGPT to copy a prompt from ChatGPT and then revert to Google Flow to create an image. Let me quickly do that. Go back to ChatGPT, copy a prompt, go to Google Flow, paste the prompt, and create an image. Look at my side.
I'm so sorry, I forgot to add this. You go back to your ChatGPT and type this prompt. Can you give me an image prompt for this story above? Text to image prompt. I'll put the prompt beside it so you can copy it. And tell me if you need to comment section. That is one I put this on that code. So you can do it. I hope you understand. Make sure that when you are copying the prompt, you copy that 2D minimalist stuff and the scene 1 scene 1 stuff too. So you can create the exact image that you want.
Sorry, so after it's done generating the image, they will do the same process to generate all the videos and image. If you want video, so now let's do video, which is what, let me see. So now if you want to create video, we'll do what, we'll click on the nano banana icon, click on video. You see 1 second, 2 seconds, 16:9 ratio. Select the video, paste the prompt, upload your image as reference image, do it, then it what, it create the video for you. Let's quickly do that. After I'm done generating the image and video, what I'm going to do is what, I'm going to head over to our browser and search for 11 labs. After I've done generating our video, we are going to head over to what our browser and search for what 11labs.com, 11labs.ai. So if you're using 11labs for the first time, you sign up or sign in. I can sign up with your Google account. You ask some questions, you answer them, then it opens. So next is what to click on either text to speech or instant speech. Let me quickly do that. I want you to know 11 Labs give you 10,000 free credits for first users, but you can use that as a trial for the website. So you decide, do I want to pay for this website or do I not want to pay? You understand? So you have to click on instant speech or text to speech. So paste our script on ChatGPT and select the voice you want to use. Here's generate script and let it generate. After it is done generating, you let 11Labs generate the script, the voice for the voiceover. After 11Labs is done generating the voice, what I'm going to do is to download it to your phone. After downloading it to your phone, the next step is editing our video. So whead over to our ChatGPT, whead over to ChatGPT and ask, whead over to CapCut and pick new project and select the image and video accordingly and pick your voiceover and edit it, out soundtrack, cut the AI, let the AI speak. Sometimes you speak, sometimes you shall mix it so that not maybe to have copyright. You do it in a meaningful way. Let me clear the video, watch and see. You do your editing is very catchy that it will not have copyright strike or get any issue with YouTube. You understand? So you do your picture, I'm editing it, add video, add everything, do it well, make it sensible. I did very catchy, it's irresistible. When done, export it. Now let me show you the results.
Cars, trading
stands partially in the shadows with a calm expression, occasionally appearing beside the main
He believes he's
character
found
or
the
as a
perfect
silhouette
entry
in the
point.
background. He serves as the audience's guide through the
Every
trader's
candlestick
journey.
feels like a clue.
Minimalist design,
Tutorials.
soft
You don't
cell
fully
shading,
understand them,
cinematic
but you're
lighting,
confident.
Webtoon
Very
inspired
confident.
aesthetic.
And suddenly,
So because I have to show this, some people are going to show their results in their own video. So I'll show you this one. Let me show you the video. This is the video.
you think, how hard can this be? You download your first trading app, open a demo account, and look.
So I hope you find the video helpful. See you in my next video and check out my playlist.
So I hope you found this video helpful and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.